So in this video we will discuss about the axioms of the probability. So there are three we can say conditions that need to be satisfied for probability. First condition is that the probability of any event should be greater than or either equals to 0. It means it could not be negative. Second condition is the probability of the sample space is equals to 1. And third condition, P probability of A union A2 where A1 and A2 are events is equals to A1 probability of A1 plus probability of A2. Given that A1 and A2 are mutually exclusive. What does it mean to be mutually exclusive? Let's say if this is a sample space, this is A1, let's say, and this is A2, so there should be no common part between them. They should be completely exclusive.